आदाब नाजरीन, न्यूज़ 16 डिजिटल में आप सभी का खैर मकदम है। जेम्स स्कूल ने 15 जून 2024 को अपनी सरमायाकारी की तकरीब मनाई। जी नाजरीन, इस अमल का आगाज़ 13 जून को इंतखाबी मुहिम के साथ किया गया, जिसके दौरान मुकाबला करने वालों ने इनकी मतलूबा पोजीशन से मुताल्लिक सवालात पूछे। मुख्तलिफ क्लासेस के तलबा ने कई सारी पोजीशंस के लिए मुकाबला किया, जैसे कि 10वीं जमात से स्कूल कैप्टन और स्पोर्ट्स कैप्टन के लिए मुकाबला किया गया। साथ ही 9वीं जमात से स्कूल के नायब कप्तान और स्पोर्ट्स नायब कप्तान के लिए मुकाबला किया गया, और साथ ही 8वीं जमात से परफेक्ट्स और 7वीं जमात से नायब परफेक्ट के लिए मुकाबला किया गया। बता दें कि ये इंतखाबी अमल 14 जून को किया गया और तलबा ने अपने मुंतखब उम्मीदवारों को अपना वोट कास्ट किया, और इन वोटों की गिनती शाम को हुई और नताइज का ऐलान इन्वेस्टिट्यूट तकरीब के दौरान किया गया। कि 15 जून 2024 को की गई सरमायाकारी की तकरीब में आइन के चेयरमैन जनाब सैफुल्लाह खान और इदारे के सेक्रेटरी मोहतरमा नाजिया खान ने बतौर मेहमान खुसूसी यहाँ शिरकत फरमाई, और इस प्रोग्राम की सदारत प्रिंसिपल सैयदा रुबीना कौसर ने फरमाई। इस तकरीब का आगाज हाउस ग्रुप्स के असातिज़ा रूबी, एमेरल्ड, सफायर और टोपास के एजाज से हुई, जिन्हें मुस्तकबिल की कोशिशों के लिए कई सारी जिम्मेदारियां सौंपी गई थी। और इसके बाद तलबा रहनुमाओं ने प्रिंसिपल के साथ कवायद की पाबंदी करने और कायदीन की हैसियत से अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को निभाने का यहाँ ओहद लिया। आइए देखते और जानते हैं इस शानदार तकरीब की मजीद तफसीलात।
We have gathered here this morning to celebrate the investiture ceremony of our school for the year 24-25. This ceremony marks the induction of our newly formed student council leaders who will carry the torch of responsibility in the discharge of various positions of student council. To begin our events this afternoon, dear friends, it's an honor and privilege for all of us to welcome our management members, Honorable Chairman Mr. Saifullah Khan, GEM Institution.
Thank you.
With us our respected Mrs. Nazia Khan, Secretary, GEM Institution. GEM Institution. And for selecting a school representatives of different categories, we had a long process of voting, and then the votes were counted yesterday in the evening. By voting, we add on a voice to the chorus that forms opinions and the basis for actions. An election is one of the essential pillars of school system that chooses the representatives of their choice who feel have the capability to become leaders. You can look at the video that is being played, which shows you the different aspects where the elections were conducted. We also had the parents voting along with the students and the teachers, and the results declaration will be done in some time. By fostering trust, open communication, personalized support, teachers can become invaluable mentors, empowering students to become well-rounded, confident individuals prepared to thrive in an ever-changing world. To begin with this, I would request our respected principal ma'am to please take over.
Congratulations to all the contestants.
Thank you.
And all the best.
Thank you.
Before we honor the leaders, we all have leaders behind us who always guide us, support us, show empathy, and always being there to correct us. So those leaders should be honored the first. So I would request the teachers of Ruby House, Mrs. Sadia, Miss Ayaba, I request you all to please maintain silence. Mrs. Lakshmi, and Mrs. Shani.
Ruby are relaxed with smiling eyes. It's none other than all the Ruby House Group teachers.
And Secretary Ma'am, to please select a head teacher. Their influence extends beyond academic learning. She is always beyond academics, impacting students' personal growth and character development, which are essential for their future success and contribution to society. I wish you all the best. I request Secretary and the Executive Office.
All the Ruby Group students and teachers, we all will rock it, inshallah.
Students, we request the silence group.
Ruby Group, we all will rock it.
Mrs. Yashashwini. She inspires students to strive for excellence and reach their full.
Stands for awesome, P stands for pleasant, P stands for perfect, H stands for happy, I stands for instinctive, and for entertaining teachers.
Teamwork is the best work, so we all work together. Okay?
Green. Green. Next time, call upon my green teachers, Employee Group, Mrs. Usma, She always imparts essential knowledge and skills across various subjects. I want you to listen to this. Foundation of our students' future learning and career paths. It is Mrs. Kela.
Excited, responsible, admirable, lovely and determined teachers of the house group.
My dear children, as usual, as every year, even this year I have got the leadership for this emerald group. I hope we will all work for the betterment of communication and discipline first, which holds the goodness for our life throughout, and then we'll all work with unity to gain the strength, and hard work lead to success. Please do hard work, you will succeed in it.
Kapaz Group. Right where see them. Yellow color. This is Shehnaz madam.
Round of applause.
Valued and respected. This positive atmosphere is crucial for effective learning and personal development. It is Sabah Khan.
Everybody for giving me this opportunity to represent the Topaz group. As you all know, sun reflects the sun's energy, and that color is almost golden. Yes, we are going to show the same energy towards the whole year, okay, and we are going to make our school flourish in all the aspects. So 3 cheers for Topaz group.
As students leaders
Of GEM School, I solemnly pledge to uphold the values and responsibilities bestowed upon me. We promise to lead by an example with integrity, respect and dedication. We will strive to foster a positive environment throughout the year, encouraging collaboration and respect among all students. We commit working towards our common goals, supporting my peers and contributing to the betterment of our community. We will embrace challenges with courage and resilience. We will seek to inspire others through our actions and words. We accept this honor with humanity and determination to serve, lead and make a meaningful difference. Thank you. I request all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Universal understanding that depict leadership and in the name of God that depicts power. We the leaders of GEM School hereby pledge that we will truly and consciously manifest and uphold the good name of our school at all time. We will strive for overall development and excellence through perseverance, boundless energy and relentless commitment commitment, we will maintain our strong character and moral values that stand on the pillar of respect, mutual understanding, and love. We will never let our emotions to creep into harshness. We espouse the law of the school without fail. We also pledge to follow our school motto. GEM stands for discipline. Discipline makes a gem. Thank you so much.
First of all, I would like to congratulate all the contestants who have won and who have secured a position in this school. Congratulations to you all. Secondly, those who have contested and who have not gone through, for me, they have already won. The moment they have contested, they are the winners. How many of them are there in this in our school? Or only out of them, only handful have the guts, have the the strength, the audacity to contest. See, contesting any election or anything, you will have har achieve, correct? Losing or winning. You people did not get scared of losing, and you attempted. That itself is a very big thing, and I congratulate the contestants also. They are the winners, actual winners. Whether you win or lose is a secondary thing, but you are brave enough to contest. So I want all the children to contest or to stand ahead and try to be the leaders. You are already born leaders, those who have contested. So don't feel disheartened that you have lost. You are actually won. You are actually one among the cream of the school students. So congratulations to all of you. And I would like to tell you one more thing is the election part, what we are doing here. You know why we are doing all this? See, first of all, we need a panel of students who can represent the entire school, right? Second most important thing is, this is how the actual elections happen in India. So that is why we are doing a mock election here, so that you will understand how important is election, how important is voting, how important is to elect a person, suitable person, right? So this is how the actual election also happens. So you should get a fair knowledge of how elections happen actually in central or be it in state. So same way here also in the school we are doing it, so that you should know the knowledge about it, right? Now those who have won, I'm happy that they have shown that out of popularity you all have won, right? So I want you, those who have won, to maintain the trust what the students have given to you. They have selected you, they have elected you because you are the best, right? And you have to show them that they have selected the right candidate. How? By performing your duties well. Just getting the badge and flaunting and moving here there will not suffice. You have to perform your duties. With power comes great responsibilities. So you have lot of responsibilities on you. It is just not that the badge is there. Lot of things are there. Many students will look up to you. They want to see how well you perform. So they have made you leaders, and you have to show them that their choice was right. Understood? If you see a student who is not speaking in English or something, you have every right to tell them, no, you are supposed to speak in English. You are supposed to wear proper uniform. Discipline. Discipline is our motto, right? So you all have the responsibility of maintaining discipline, maintaining decorum, everything. Do you think you will perform those duties well? You will have to take an oath and you have to do it. It's a lot of responsibility. It's not that easy. It's not a child's play. Even after you leave the school, people should remember you, students should remember you. Yes, there was a captain, there was a vice captain, there was a head boy, there was a prefect. He was very good or she was very good. Understood? You should make a mark in the school records. Will you do? Yes, sir. In the history of the school, your name should be engraved. You should all be like that. So all the best to you. I hope you will not make the students regret to have selected you. You should prove yourself that you are the best. Will you prove? Yes, sir. But it is loud, not energetically. Will you prove?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you will have to prove it. Once again, congratulations to all of you.
Good afternoon, teachers. You look very beautiful in all these colorful t-shirts. You look beautiful? Yes, say yes confidently.
Yes.
So, it is actually very great honor and a deep sense of responsibility that I stand before you. You can hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, it is with great honor and a deep sense of responsibility that I stand before you as we mark this significant occasion of our investiture ceremony, right? Is it a responsibility or not? Yes. So this movement represents not only a celebration of achievement but also a commitment for a future, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have commitments, right?
Yes,
You have responsibilities?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Confidently I need.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, children. See, this is to our new leaders. I congratulate them for your hard work, dedication and perseverance that you have brought to this point. Today you step into roles that demand you not just leadership but vision, integrity and service. Remember, leadership is not about holding a position. It is about making a difference. It is about inspiring and empowering others to achieve their best, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is just not a speech. These words you should understand. They are really important in your life. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
As you take on these new responsibilities, I encourage you to lead with empathy, act with courage and serve with humility. Your actions will set the tone for those who follow. Upload the values of honesty, respect and inclusivity. Strive to be the kind of leaders who listen more than they speak. This is very important. I repeat this line. Strive to be the kind of leaders who listen more than they speak. Got it? You should listen first. You should listen. Then only you can speak. Understand what is happening. Then only you can speak. Okay? You just don't keep yourself telling, and it is not good. The one who is in front of you, he is just listening to you, is not good. You should first listen to them. Then you have to talk about it, right? Who build bridges rather than walls. This is also very important. You cannot build walls. You have to build bridges. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
If you build a wall, that is the closed chapter for your whatever you do. You have to build bridges. You should think what we have to do ahead. Got it? And who seek solutions instead of excuses. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, instead of excuses, what you should do? You have to find solutions. Okay? So, to everyone present, let us support our leaders in their journey. Let us foster an environment where everyone feels valued and heard, where teamwork and collaboration are at the forefront, and where every challenge is met with collective effort and determination. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Together we can achieve remarkable things. Together we can create a legacy of excellence and progress. Thank you once again, children. And